Hello there guys, welcome to my channel, little bit of everything. So today I'll be showing you very easy. It is almost the first trick I ever learned, maybe when I was in 6th grade or something. For this all we need is a well shuffled deck of cards, no setup, nothing, and any random cards is okay. Any random 15 cards is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we are going to do a trick with just 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spread through these cards just like this. So I hope everything is visible. Yes, it is visible. So I'm going to ask my spectator to just remember any one of a card. Suppose, for example, I don't have any spectator here. Let's say they remember 10 of diamonds. Alright, so keep it as it is. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna deal it in 3 piles, just like this. Now you're gonna ask a yes or no question. You're gonna spread through these cards and ask, is your card in this pile? They'll notice this 10 and they'll say yes. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna place this card, whichever pile they say yes to, you're gonna place it in middle of the middle of this arrangement, just like this. And again you're gonna deal down the cards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in 3 piles, just like this. So each card will have 5 cards, each pile will have 5 cards. So again I'm gonna ask the same question, is your card in this deck or in this pile? They say no. Is your card in this pile? They say no. So obviously your card will be in this pile. They say yes. What are you gonna do again? Whichever they say yes to, you're gonna keep it in the middle, just like this, middle, and then cover it on top. And once again you're gonna deal down the cards like this. Alright, so you're gonna ask your spectator, do you see your card here? They'll be like no. And you're gonna ask, do you see your card here? They will say yes. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna keep it again in the in between, in the center, and then cover it up, and then take this card behind your back, just like this, both your hands. And this will be happening behind my back. I'm showing you how. Behind your back you count 7 cards. 1, 2, 3. You say, before that you say to your spectator, I'm gonna find your card without saying it. Take it back towards your back, and then count down 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th card will be their card. Alright, that is 10 of diamonds. So guys, let's do this once again. So that's a well shuffled. You can shuffle this, doesn't matter. So just open up and ask them to select any one of the card and keep it in the mind. For this, let's take 3 of spades. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna deal down the cards in 3 piles, just like this. So I'm gonna spread through this cards and ask them, is your card in this deck? They say yes. So keep this in middle and then cover it up, and once again you deal down the cards. There's nothing to do with the self-working card trick. Yes. And ask them whether your card is in this pile. They say yes, because they see 3 of spades here. So again you're gonna keep this in center and the middle, and then again you're gonna deal down the cards. So now you're gonna show them, is your card in this pile? They say no. Is your card in this pile? They say yes. They have spotted this 3 of spades. They say yes. After this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna say to your spectator, I'm gonna find your card behind my back without saying. You never said your card out loud, so let's see if you can break this heart. Alright, so count down 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, do this behind your back so that they'll be shocked. If you do this in front of them, they'll be like, why exactly you're counting 7? So do this behind your back and be like, yeah, I found your card. 3 of spades. So guys, this works every time. What you're gonna do is you're gonna deal down the cards in 3 piles 3 times. Alright, and whichever they say yes to, that pile goes in the center. So do this, perform it well, and then watch your friend's amazing reaction. Enjoy. Make sure to hit that like button. Be subscribed to my channel to learn all this cool stuff like this. So see you in the next video guys. Bye and peace.
Closer.